Hello and welcome to my Crypto 101 channel. We are back with another internet computer price prediction video and updates. So if you're investing in this coin or plan to invest, you should watch the entire video to understand what's going to happen with this coin in the future. If this is something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on all of the bell notifications below. I really do appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up too, thank you. But before we start, I would like to say that I am not a financial advisor and you need to do your own research. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Okay, let's get started. Internet computer price is currently worth $266 with a 24-hour trading volume of more than $383 million. It has a circulating supply of almost $124 million coins. The highest price today until now was $317.8 and the lowest price was $262. In the last 24 hours, ICP is almost 16% down, holding up for a market cap rank at number 9. Many cryptocurrency experts believe that ICP has the potential to be a big disruptor in the technology world. Anyway, I believe it has a lot of room for growth this year. A 2x price jump is still within the realms of possibility for Internet Computer Coin. Internet Computer Price Prediction in May 2021. Our Internet Computer Price forecast in the next few days based on our technical analysis is above $375. Currently, the RSI indicator is below 30 on the 1-hour chart. An RSI value of 30 or less means that the market is considered oversold and is expected to bounce higher. I think the Internet Computer is a great coin to buy now at a good entry point. But let's see where it goes from here. Now let's take a look at the latest Internet Computer updates. According to laptopmag.com website, how to buy Internet Computer Coin is a popular Google search query that is exploding as crypto investors rush to get their hands on a new exciting cryptocurrency that is on the rise. Fortunately, thanks to its new listing on a reputable exchange, the ICP token is now more accessible than other common cryptocurrencies such as SafeMoon, Shiba Inu, and other similar tokens. Surprisingly, despite the fact that Internet Computer debuted on Monday, it skyrocketed to an all-time high of $731 on the same day. Currently, 48 data centers support the ICP network. DFinity plans to add 75 more data centers by the end of the year. As reported by tradingeducation.com website, Internet Computer is not like other cryptocurrencies on the market, which took time to reach those price thresholds. Instead, the digital assets blockchain technology allows it to bring something fresh and distinct to the decentralized finance framework. This separates Internet Computer from the market's other crypto trading properties. Unlike Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Tron, or Binance, Internet Computer is an entirely new protocol that allows content creators and software engineers to publish something on the internet without having to go through centralized authorities such as Facebook, Microsoft, Amazon, and other servers. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, let me know how much you expect the price of Internet Computer will increase in the coming days. Thank you for your continued support for everything you do across the channel. I really do appreciate all the comments and feedback. Thank you.